Hello everyone and welcome to Vlinko's channel. In today's video, I will guide you through resolving the error you encounter when trying to perform a system restore, specifically when it prompts you to specify which Windows installation to restore. And now let's get started. If you are facing the issue where system restore requires you to specify a Windows installation to restore, do not worry. We have a few effective solutions to get your system back on track. Firstly, we recommend running a system file checker scan. To do this, search for command prompt in your Windows search bar and ensure you click on Run as Administrator. Once the command prompt window is open, type the command sfc/scan now and press Enter. This command will initiate a scan to check for and repair corrupted system files, which can often be the cause of such errors. If the SFC scan does not resolve the problem, the next step is to repair the boot configuration data or BCD. Again, open command prompt as an administrator. This time, enter the command /rebuildbcd and press Enter. This command will scan for all Windows installations and allow you to rebuild the BCD store, potentially fixing boot-related issues that affect system restore. As a final resort, if neither of the previous solutions works and system restore is critical for you, a cloud reset of your PC can be a very helpful option. To perform a cloud reset, right-click on the Start button and select Settings from the menu. In the Settings window, navigate to the System tab. On the list on the left-hand side, select Recovery. In the right pane, you will find the option to reset this PC. Click on it. Then select Remove Everything. Finally, choose the option for Cloud Download to reset your PC using a fresh copy of Windows downloaded from the cloud. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.